Get ready for an unforgettable adventure into the amazing world of animals. From the gentle giants of the farm to the wild roar of the jungle, we're about to meet some of the most awesome creatures that share our planet. This is your front row ticket to discover furry friends, fantastic beasts, and feathered companions, all from the comfort of your home. First, let's head to the sunny countryside and visit the friendly farm animals. Roosters are male chickens known for their loud crowing, which they often do at dawn to mark their territory and signal the start of a new day. Roosters use over 30 different sounds to communicate, from warning calls and mating dances to food discoveries and territorial claims.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats.
Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet high and 10 feet long in a single bound. Their powerful back legs are built for hopping away from predators. Rabbits have eyes on the sides of their heads. This gives them a nearly 360-degree view to spot danger from almost any direction. Rabbits are often associated with spring because they breed, well, lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. They have excellent long-term memory. White tigers are extremely rare in the wild. Most white tigers alive today are in captivity, mainly bred for zoos or entertainment. White tigers in captivity are inbred to preserve the white coat. This often leads to genetic defects, cleft palates, scoliosis, and shortened limbs. White tigers are often larger than their orange counterparts. Pandas are mostly solitary. They mark territory with scent glands and usually avoid one another except during mating season. Pandas like Mei Xiang, Tian Tian, and Bao Bao have gained worldwide attention in zoos and panda breeding programs. Pandas are born blind, pink,
Sheep have amazing memories. They can recognize faces of other sheep and even humans and remember them for years. Sheep are very social animals and like to stay in groups. They often follow the leader. That's where the phrase "follow like sheep" comes from. Sheep say "ba" to communicate with each other. Lambs and their mothers can recognize each other by their unique sounds. Sheep grow thick wool that keeps them warm.
Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, leaves, branches, and shrubs, sometimes eating over 100 pounds of food a day. Rhinos have poor eyesight and cannot see very far, but their hearing and sense of smell are extremely strong and help them stay alert. Rhinoceros comes from Greek words meaning nose horn, because all rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their noses. Rhinos are herbivores and eat only plants including grass, Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, making them one of the first domesticated animals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans due to a structure called the tapetum lucidum in their eyes. Dogs come in an astonishing range of sizes from the tiny Chihuahua, about 2 pounds, to the massive English Mastiff. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they can carry heavy loads and travel long distances across hot, dry lands. Camels can carry up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, of weight, making them very useful for transportation and trade. Camels have been domesticated for over 3,000 years and are still used in many parts of the world for riding, milk, meat, and transport. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 300 kilograms, 330 Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plain zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters. Goats were among the first animals to be domesticated over 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are strictly herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs, bark, and weeds, but not trash, despite the myth. Goats have horizontal rectangular pupils. This gives them wide peripheral vision to spot predators. Goats are ruminants. They chew cud to help digest tough plant material in a 4-chambered stomach. Goats were among the first Donkeys have excellent memories. They can recognize places, and other donkeys they haven't seen in years. Donkeys can carry up to 30% of their body weight and pull even more. They've been used as pack animals for centuries. Donkeys form strong bonds with other donkeys, animals, or humans. Lonely donkeys can become sad or depressed. Cows are gentle farm animals known for giving us milk, which is used to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and more. Cows are very social animals and form close bonds with other cows, often having best friends in their herd. Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years and are important for dairy, meat, leather, and farming in many cultures. Cows are herbivores and eat only plants like grass, hay, and grains, often chewing for 6-8 hours a day. Of furry friends, fantastic beasts, and feathered companions, all from the comfort of your home. Prepare to be surprised and delighted as we learn together about their lives, their sounds, and most importantly, their names. First, let's head to the sunny countryside and visit the friendly farm animals. You'll get to say hello to the dependable cow who gives us milk, the fluffy sheep with its cozy wool coat,